But the worst part of menopause is brain fog. The other day, I went through the drive-thru at SunTrust Bank, and the teller said, "How may I help you?" And I said, "I need to pick up my prescription." And the second it came out of my mouth, I realized where I was. And I said, and I was wondering if you'd run down to Walgreens to get it for me. You're the one always bragging about customer service. And a conversation with me has become like a game of charades. I was trying to think of this actor's name, and I said to my friend, "Oh, you know him. He has dark hair. He was in one of the Marvel movies. He was in a romantic comedy with the dark-haired actress. He married that blonde actress. And I'm sure they all know Kevin Bacon." Couldn't think of anything. And then 2 days later, I was standing in the laundry room. And I go, "Deadpool! Alexa, who played Deadpool?" Deadpool was most recently played by Ryan Reynolds. Thank you. Alexa is now my brain. But you have to be careful what you say in front of Alexa, because she is a double agent, a cyber spy, and they're everywhere. They know everything you click on, everything you search for, everything you buy. I went to weather.com. J. Crew popped up. All I wanted was the temperature. Bought this blazer. But I'm scared to click on a 10-day forecast, afraid I'll buy a car. And sometimes I even forget Alexa's name. I was cleaning the kitchen the other day and I go, "Alexa, play Adele." A couple hours later, I go to leave and I go, "Adele, turn off the music." What's wrong with Adele?